let's start with the first chapter, rational number. Is it? First, you have to understand what is a rational number. A number which can be represented in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Okay? So what is a rational number? A number which can be represented in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Is it? Okay? So let's see which are the rational number. Is it? 0 by 5. Here, it is a rational number. What is it we have to see? Denominator should not be 0. What is in the denominator? 5. So 0 upon 5 is a rational number. 2. 2 upon 1. Yes. Denominator is what? 1. So it is a rational number. 3 upon 4. What is the denominator? 4. Yes. So 3 upon 4 is also a rational number. Is it? Minus 1 upon root 2. Root 2 is what? It is not a rational number. It is irrational number. And therefore, minus 1 upon root 2 is not a rational number. What is here? 5 by 0. According to our definition, what is the definition of a rational number? A number which can be represented in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. What do you got here? Q is equal to 0. Okay? Here q is equal to 0 and therefore it is not a rational number. Let's move on to the next question. Identify the numerator and denominator. Numerator means which is up. Denominator means which is in division. Is it? So what is the numerator here? Minus 2. What is the denominator? 3. What is the numerator? 4. What is the denominator? 1. What is the numerator? 0. What is the denominator? 3. What is the denominator? 1. What is the numerator? 5. What is the numerator? 3. What is the denominator? 1. Is it? Now, express minus 5 by 3 as a rational number whose numerator is 5. Which number is given? Minus 5 by 3. We have to make what? Numerator 5. Is it? What is the numerator here? Minus 5. How we can remove? Put the sign down in the denominator. So you will get 5 minus 3. So what is your numerator now? 5. So it is your answer. Now what you have to make? Numerator 35. What number is given to you? Minus 5 by 3. What is your numerator? 5. So multiply it with 7 to get the numerator 35. But what is 35? Plus. If you multiply with 7, what you will get? Minus 35. So you have to multiply with minus 7. So you have to multiply numerator as well as the denominator with minus 7. So minus into minus plus. So 7 5 is a 35. And 7 3 is a minus 21. You have to make numerator 20. What is given us? Minus 5 by 3. So you have to multiply with 4. So multiply numerator and denominator with 4. So 5 4s are 20. So you get numerator as minus 20. And 3 4s are 12. Denominator as 12. Now next, you have to make numerator 15. What ratio is given to us? Minus 5 by 3. So you have to multiply with plus. Because it is a plus 15, you have to multiply with minus. So minus 5 into minus 3 upon minus 3. So if you multiply minus into minus, you will get plus. So 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 and minus 9. Is it? Now you have to express 3 by 4 as a rational number whose denominator is 12. Which rational number is given to you? 3 by 4. What you have to make? Denominator 12. So you have to multiply with 3. 3 with the denominator. Once you multiply 3 with the denominator, you have to multiply with numerator also with the same number. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now what you have to make? Denominator 20. So given ratio is 3 by 4. So multiply with 5 denominator and also numerator with 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Now you make denominator 16 minus 16. So multiply with minus 4 and denominator as well as the numerator with minus 4. 3 4s are 12 minus 12. 4 4s are 16. So minus 16. So your denominator become minus 16. Now you want denominator 28. So you have to multiply with 7 numerator as well as the denominator. So 3 7s are 21. 7 4s are 28. So you got here denominator as 28. Is it? Express in the standard form. What it means? You have to bring it to the lowest number. What I mean to say bring it to the lowest number means you have to divide with a common number. What is a common number in 15 and 65? 5. So divide it with 5. Is it 5 3s are 15? 5 13s are. So your answer become 3 by 13. Is it? Now 33 by 77. What is a common divisor? 11. So divide it with 11. 11 3s are 33. 11 7s are 77. So you'll get 3 by minus 7. Minus 13 and 78. Is it? 13 6s are. Is it? 13 1s are. 13 6s are. So your answer is 1 by 6. Is it? Now you see 21 minus 21 upon 15. What is a common divisor? 3. So divide it with 3. 7 3s are 21. Okay. Is it? Then 3 5s are 15. So your answer will become minus 7 by 5. Let's move on to the next question. Find out the absolute value. Absolute value means mod. And from this mod, minus is removed. Even if it is minus sign inside, when it comes out, it becomes plus. So put mod 3 by minus 15 mod. So when it comes out from there, it becomes 3 by 5. Is it? Minus 4 by 7 in the mod. When it comes out from the mod, it becomes 4 by 7. Mod 8 by 9. When it comes out from the mod, it becomes 8 by 9. Is it? Minus minus, you can cancel it and make it plus. So it is minus 6 minus 11 mod. It gives you 6 by 11. Now evaluate. What is given? Mod. This is mod. So 1 by 3. Mod inside is minus 3 by 2. When it comes out from the mod, it will become plus 3 by 2. What is LCM? 6. By which number you will multiply here to get 6? 2. By which number you will multiply here to get 6? 3. So multiply these 2 up. So 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9. So you get 2 plus 9, 2 plus 9 upon 2 3s are 6 as LCM. So 2 plus 9 is 11. So 11 upon 6. Second question, 4 by 7. When it comes out from the mod, it will become 4 by 7. Minus 3 by 5. When it comes out from the mod, it will become 3 by 5. Since minus sign is outside, it remains same here. But from the mod, minus was that, it becomes plus. What is LCM? 7 5s are 35. So 35 is here LCM. So by which number you will multiply 7? 5. Okay. By which number you will multiply 5 to get 35? 7. So multiply this with the numerator. So 5 4s are 20. 7 3s are 21. So 20 minus 21, it gives you minus 1. So it is minus 1 upon 35. Isn't it? Now, minus 2 by 3. When it comes out from the mod, what it become? 3 by 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 6. When it comes out from the mod, what it become? 1 by 6. What is the LCM? 6. By which number you will multiply the denominator 3 to get 6? 2. and 6 ones are. So multiply this 2 with the numerator. So 2 2s are 4, 1 ones are 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 upon 6, it becomes 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are, so it becomes half. Is it? Find out x mod x minus y and mod y minus x when x value is given as what? 9 and y is equal to 1 by 5. So substitute the value here. What is x? 9. What is y? 1 by 5. What is the LCM of 1 and 5? 5. Is it? So by which number you will multiply here to get 5? 1. Here 1 is there, so you will have to multiply with 5. So multiply here up with the numerator, it will become 5. It will become 9 5 is a 45. Is it? So it will become 45 minus 1 minus 45, and here it will become 45 minus 1. So 45 minus 1 is what? 44 upon 5. When it comes out from the mod, it will become 44 upon 5. And 1 minus 45 is minus 44. Minus 44 upon 5. When it comes out from the mod, it will become 44 upon 5. Is it clear? Find out the value in the mod. What is given? Find mod x plus y. Okay, when x is equal to minus 7, y is equal to 3. Substitute the value mod x plus y. What is the value of x? Minus 7 plus. What is the value of 3? Y? 3. So 3. 7 minus 3 minus 4. When the minus 4 comes up from the mod, it will become plus 4. Is it? Now, write 3 rational equivalent rational number, or we can say that write 3 rational equivalent to. First is minus 2 by 3. So here you can multiply with numerator and denominator with any rational number. So let's multiply the given rational number with 2 by 2. So what we get? 2 2s are 4 minus 4, 2 3s are 6, 6. Then multiply with 3, multiply with 4, 2 3s are 6 minus 6, 3 3s are 9. Multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So 2 4s are 8 minus 8, 4 3s are 12. It is not necessary to multiply with 2, 3, 4 as I taken. You can take your choice. You can also multiply with 5 upon 5, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 7, 1 up, not 1, 7, 8 upon 8. Anything you can do it with this. Is it? For example, and the second is that 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5, multiply it with 2 by 2. So you get 6 by 10. Multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So you'll get 9 by 15 and 12 by 20. Is it? Third, 3 equivalent, 7 by minus 6. Multiply with 2. So 14, 12. Multiply with 3. 7 3s are 21. 3 6 are 18 minus 18. Multiply with 4. 7 4s are 28. 6 4s are 24. Is it? So 28 upon minus 24. Is it clear?